Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore the Ribbon tab design. Here, we will find different predefined themes and variants. We will find tools to adjust slide size, orientation, and apply background format. We will also find a special tool, the Designer Wizard, where PowerPoint will offer diverse options to make our slides stand out. So, let's get on it. We have few slides on this presentation with the default slide design. We will use them as an example to explore the design options. First, let's open the Design tab on the ribbon. The first portion we will explore is the theme bar. Let's open it from this arrow, and here we can see the current theme and what other theme options that we can select. You can hover over the different themes to see a preview of how the slide will look like under that theme. Once you decide on one that you like, for example, let's use the Madison theme, just click on it and PowerPoint will assign it to all the slides. The theme applies the background, the predefined colors to the background, and to the fonts. The first slide is considered the cover page of the presentation. So let's scroll to the next slide so we can see how the rest of the slides will look like. In the case that you don't want to use the same theme to all the slides, you can select which slides you want to apply it. Let's undo the last action and right-click on the theme. Then select Apply to selected slides. Now we have the theme applied only to this specific slide, and the rest remain as they were. Let's use a different design, like this one. That changes again the background, the colors, and the font type and color. At the bottom of the theme bar, there is a Browse option. Use this one if you have more themes saved on your computer or if you download it from the web. You can keep exploring other themes until you find one that you like more than the one that I am suggesting. Now, let's say you like the theme style, but not necessarily the colors used or the font type. Well, we can change that on this other bar called Variants. Here there are 4 options with different colors and font. You can hover over them and you will see the preview on how they will look like if you select it. If you open the menu, we can find a vast option of colors, font, effects, and background styles. Let's change the color. Same as the previous options, you can hover over them and you will see a preview. Now, let's change the font type as well. I like this one. Let's change the effects of the slide. We will add this one. And finally, let's make some adjustments to the background style. I don't like any of this. When that happens, you can go to the Format Background, and that will open some more options. On the Fill section, Picture or Texture Fill is selected. On the next section, we can change the texture and we can also change the transparency of the background. And you will see other options, like offset on X and Y, then the scale on X and Y too, then the alignment and mirror option. If you like all your changes, you can apply to all, or if you don't like them, you can reset the background to the way that it was and start over. Back to the top, we can add effects. We have the artistic effects. This gives us additional options to apply to the slide, like marker, pencil grayscale, line drawing, and more. Same as the previous, if you like the changes, apply to all, or reset the background. And the last tab is Picture. Picture allows us to change the color saturation and the color tone, and recolor. Let's move on to the Customize section. Here we have the slide size. There are 2 main options, standard with a ratio of 4:3, and widescreen with a ratio of 16:9. The current size is widescreen. If we decide to change to the standard version, because it is smaller, PowerPoint will ask you what to do. You can maximize or you can ensure fit. Then PowerPoint will make the necessary adjustments for you. And at the end, you might need to do some final adjustments depending on how you want to display your information. And we have one more option, custom slide size. Click on that and a new window will show up. If we open the slide size, we will see all predefined sizes available for us. If none of that is what we're looking for, then we have the option to create our own size. On the right, we have the orientation of the slides and notes, handouts, and outline. The default orientation is landscape. Let's change to portrait to see how that looks like. Here again, PowerPoint will ask you what to do, maximize or ensure fit. If you like it, you can leave it like this. The format background is the same that we explored on the variant option, so we can skip it. And finally, the designer wizard. A new panel will show with different recommendations to improve the slide. In the case of the design wizard, each slide will have its own, because of the content of the slide. For example, this one with text and title will look like this, and this other one with text, title, and picture will have slightly different options. If you decide that none of the slide is what you are looking for, you can reset the slide to the original state. Go to the Slide tab, right-click on the slide, and select Reset Slide. And there we have. I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get access to my series of tutorials to learn more about this application. I'll see you in the next video.